G'day guys, welcome to another lot of Cisco questions, and today we're going to do configuring VLANs. Welcome if you're a first time watcher, and appreciate your time dedicated to watching the channel. 420, your manager has heard a lot about the VLAN feature available on switches and is wondering what the benefit is. What would your response be? Get hubs. Don't get hubs. To create communication boundaries, filter traffic based off layer 3 address, filters traffic based off layer 4 address used to prevent loops on the network. The answer for this one is pretty straightforward. The answer is A, to create communication boundaries. So as you can see in my initial diagram here, we have 4 VLANs there, and it's just a nice way of having sort of certain rules, certain traffic going across common devices or common areas. So it could be management, could be IT department, all those sorts of things. You can VLAN it however you like, however the organisation wants to do it. Perhaps 421, which of the following switch features would you use to create multiple broadcast domains? We have STP, VTP, CDP, and VLANs. So which of the following switch features would you use to create multiple broadcast domains? The answer for this one is D, VLANs. That is what you do, because it's basically a virtual local area network as specified by the acronym. 422, you wish to view the VLAN configuration on the switch. What command do you use? We've got show port security addresses, show VLAN, show MAC address table, show interfaces. VLAN configuration, this one's basically as it says it, B. No rocket science to that one, which is nice. 423, you are troubleshooting communication problems and suspect that a port is on the wrong VLAN. Oh boy. What command can you use to verify the VLANs that exist and what ports exist in each VLAN? So we've got show VLAN, display all VLAN, show all VLAN, display VLANs. Once again, this one's not too much rocket science. Obviously there's a little bit of trickery there with some different commands. And how does Cisco like it? The syntax is A, show VLAN. Excuse me. 424, which of the following protocols are used to carry VLAN traffic between switches? Again, this is simply reading from the textbook, memorizing it to death, and going from there. So we've got VTP, STP, 802.1q, ISL, IGRP, it is C and D. 425, what command would you use on a port to specify that it is allowed to carry all VLAN traffic across the port? We've got switch port mode trunk, switch port mode VLAN, switch port mode access, switch port mode VLAN access. And the correct syntax for this is A, switch port mode trunk. So no rocket science, just is the way it is syntactically. 426, which of the following commands is used to create a VLAN name floor 1? So we've got new VLAN floor 1, VLAN floor 1, create VLAN floor 1, VLAN 2, name floor 1. Dokley doos. So I think when you have normal networks, I think there's naturally a VLAN, so you need to specify it as different on a different VLAN. So that sort of gives you the answer there, which is D. VLAN 2, name floor 1. So we need the VLAN ID, then name, and then what do you want to call it after that. We've got 427, which of the following commands is used to place port 6 in VLAN 2? So we've got interface and then switch port access VLAN 2. So again, when going to any ports, we need to be in global configuration mode first. So all these are in global configuration mode at the start. Then we need to go into the configuration interface mode, and then we've got to put in the right command and then assign it to the right VLAN. So if we go through here, there's nothing mentioning any VLAN, so we can rule out A. That's going to interface 8. We want port 6, so we can rule out D. So it's between B and C. B, for some reason, only has one command, and it's not even in the interface, so that's wrong. Which leaves us with C as the answer. So in global configuration mode, going into interface 6, which is correct there, and switch port VLAN access 2. So that command there, full command there, will give us the result we want. So that's all, guys. Really appreciate your time watching the video. Give it a subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Really appreciate your time, and hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.